Welcome to Palo Alto Firewall online training. Okta Network is going to start market top leading firewall training. Okay, in this training we are going to see how to deploy your Palo Alto firewall in the production network. Okay, and in this video I'm going to cover what topic we are going to cover during this training, and end of this training we will be cover also few project. In that we will be cover migration, upgradation. Okay, so these things. So let's continue with the course content. So basically guys, this training we are going to start on PAN-OS 9.1. This complete training we will be cover in the Palo Alto VM series firewall. Okay, so let's continue with the course content. So first of all guys, we are going to understand what is the firewall. After that, generation of firewall and market top leading firewall. Okay, so after that, Palo Alto introduction. In introduction, we are going to understand Palo Alto platform, Palo Alto architecture, Palo Alto hardware model, and Palo Alto VM series model. In the VM series model, we will see which model you can deploy on your ESXi, Citrix, NSX. After that, initial configuration. Initial configuration, first of all we are going to create administrative account. After that we will see how to make a lab setup. After that we will understand what is the running configuration and candidate configuration, what is the difference between both configuration and which one configuration is exactly working on your firewall. Okay, management interface. In this we are going to see how to access your firewall through GUI and what permission you can set on your firewall access. After that, admin log. Okay, so next one is the interface configuration. In this we are going to see how to deploy your firewall as a layer 2, virtual wire and layer 3. So first of all we will start with the tab mode deployment, virtual wire deployment, layer 2 interface deployment, layer 3 interface deployment, how to create virtual route, VLAN configuration, and how to create loopback interface. Okay, so next one is the firewall routing. So in this, first of all we are going to start with the static routing, after the default routing, OSPF, RIP configuration. Next one is the security policy. In this, first of all we are going to understand what is the how to manage the security policy. Okay, what is the implicit and explicit rule, how to create security policy, and after that firewall net. In this, first of all we are going to understand source net, then destination net, UNet for DMZ, UNet for the LAN network. We are going to cover all this topic. Next one is the app ID. First of all we will understand what is the app ID. After that we are going to call app ID inside the security policy, and how to create application group. Decryption policy. In this we are going to understand what is the benefit of decryption. There are three types of decryption: SSL forward proxy. Next one topic is the content ID. Inside the content ID guys, we are going to cover antivirus profile, vulnerability protection, file blocking, DOS profile. In the wildfire guys, we are going to understand what is the wildfire, how it will work. After that we are going to see lab of the firewall, means wildfire, how it will work with your Palo Alto firewall. Next one is the URL filtering. In this, first of all we will understand the PAN-DBS, which one is the Palo Alto URL database. Okay, this one database is introduced with the PAN-OS 8.1. Before that we are using Bright Cloud. So we will understand what is the custom URL, how many type of URL category you have in Palo Alto. After that, in the user ID, first of all we will check the local user database. After that, how to integrate LDAP server with your Palo Alto firewall. After that, user ID agent and captive portal. We are going to cover all these topics inside the user ID. Okay, in VPN guys, first of all we will start with the site-to-site VPN. After that, global protect VPN, which one is also known as a remote access VPN. Okay, high availability. In high availability we are going to cover active, passive high availability, active high availability, Okay, so these are the course content in the Palo Alto firewall. Apart from this, guys, we are going to cover little bit topic, which one is the very important as per the production point of view. That one is your migration. In this, we are going to cover cover the migration tool. After that, we will see migration from ASA to Palo Alto firewall. Palo Alto upgrade Palo Alto firewall from 8.1 to 9.1.3. Dynamic update means how to update your URL database, antivirus data, threat database, and PAN-DBS. The last one is we are going to cover Palo Alto cloud deployment. In this, we will show you two deployment. First deployment is the Palo Alto firewall deployment on the Google Cloud platform, and after that we are going to see Palo Alto deployment on the Azure. So these are the topic, guys, which one we are going to cover in this training, and most of these three topics, which one is the very important as per the production point of view. Okay, guys, thanks for your time.